recording purchases in Tally by just hitting F9 and entering a bill? If so, you're missing out on 80% of Tally's power. In a professional business environment, you don't just buy, you procure. You track orders, you manage warehouse receipts, and you handle damaged returns before a single rupee leaves your bank account. This is called the P2P cycle, and mastering it is what separates a data entry operator from a professional accountant. Today, I'll show you the full 5-step P2P workflow, how to find hidden reports like bills not received, and how to pre-close orders that'll never arrive. Let's get started. P2P stands for Procure to Pay. It's the journey of a purchase which starts from the request where you would be sending a purchase order PO to your vendor, followed by the receipt where goods arrive at your warehouse via a receipt note aka GRN, goods receipt note. Then the booking where you match the purchase invoice to what you actually received. Finally, the settlement where you would make payment to your vendor. Why go through this long cycle when you can directly account purchase invoice followed by payment? Because this P2P cycle tells you exactly what's in transit and ensures you never pay for goods that haven't arrived. To see how this works in a real business scenario, let's process an order from start to finish. Imagine you're ordering 50 laptops from a vendor, say Tech World Wholesalers. First, let's create the PO. From voucher creation screen, click Other Vouchers. If purchase order is not active, click Show Inactive, select Purchase Order and activate it. Click Configure and in the field Provide Receipt Note Order and Import Details, select Yes. Provide Receipt Details, Yes. Enter Purchase Order Number, select the vendor, enter Order Details and Receipt Details if any, accept Party Details. Select Purchase Ledger, Purchase Local at 18%. Select the name of the item, laptops. Let's say the lead time is by 10th Jan 2026. Enter quantity, 50 numbers, rate 40K, amount is auto-computed. Select GST ledgers, Central GST, State GST, amount is auto-computed. Accept the voucher. Next, receipt note. Let's say the courier delivers you only 48 units. Let's account this receipt note. From voucher creation screen, click Other Vouchers, select Receipt Note, enter voucher date, enter receipt note number, select vendor, select purchase order, enter other relevant information, accept party details. Details are auto-filled, but we need to change the quantity. Let's change it to 48. Amount is auto-computed. Accept the voucher. Let's say out of 48, 2 were found to be defective. So let's account rejections out voucher for this. From voucher creation screen, click Other Vouchers, show inactive and select rejections out to activate the voucher. Enter voucher number, select the vendor, select the item, select the PO, enter quantity 2, amount is auto-computed. Let's accept the voucher. Now if you observe, net stock is 46 numbers. Next, invoice. Let's say the supplier sends the bill but only for 25 numbers. Let's account this purchase invoice. Again, from voucher creation screen, select purchase, enter voucher date, enter supplier's invoice number and date, select vendor, select the PO, accept party details, Tally autofills for 46 units. Let's change the quantity to 25. Amount is recomputed. Specify bill-wise details and accept the voucher. Last step is to make the payment. From voucher creation screen, select payment, enter voucher date, select bank account, select the vendor, enter the amount and bill-wise details, transaction type, let's say e-fund transfer, accept the voucher. Now that we have learned basic P2P accounting, let's move to the advanced reporting. This is where you move from basic data entry to the real-time clarity that every business owner is looking for. Let's look at 2 critical reports. First, purchase order outstanding. Click Go to select purchase orders. If you recall from our scenario, This shows that 4 laptops are still pending because the supplier hasn't sent them yet. In fact, this can be your follow-up list. Next report, purchase bills pending. Click Go To and select Goods Delivered but Bills Not Sent. Select the vendor. This is a huge one because it shows goods that have arrived in your warehouse for which you haven't received the bill. If you recall our scenario, net quantity received is 46, tax invoice received for 25 numbers, so tax invoice pending is for the remaining 21 numbers. This is how you can easily track pending transactions. Now, going back to our scenario, what if the supplier calls and says, I can't supply those 4 laptops because they're out of stock, or let's say for some reason you decide not to buy those 4 numbers. If you leave it as it is, Tally will show those 4 laptops as pending forever. To fix this, we need to pre-close the order. From purchase order outstanding screen, choose pre-close orders. Tally will ask you how many you want to close, enter 4 and give the reason and accept. Now if you check the same report again, it's clean, no more pending items. This is the complete P2P cycle, from placing your order to cleaning up your reports with pre-closure. Mastering reports like bills pending and PO outstandings and learning about pre-closing the orders will make you an indispensable accountant. Moreover, with Bharat Connect add-on in the latest version of Tally Prime 7.0, you can exchange your invoices seamlessly with other businesses. That is, you can automate your purchases by just accepting the invoice created by your suppliers who is on Bharat Connect network. You can send payment confirmation with real-time tracking. All you need to do is to register your business on Bharat Connect. With this, let's wrap this video up. Hope it was informative. Thank you for watching.